Today I'm going to talk to you about an actual project here at Twin Cities CNC and take you through the process from start to finish from the client's perspective. We had a client reach out to us. They already had an existing product and service. They wanted to add a specialized cabinet that they could send along and ship to their customers that can be assembled by their customers. For the initial consultation, we asked them to bring as much info as they possibly could about the cabinet. We wanted to make sure that we could check off all of the major boxes for them and their client and make sure that we're delivering on this first prototype. Next, we move to the design phase. So I sit down in my cabinetry software and I design the cabinet, checking off all of the boxes, adding all of the machining for the specific components that they want, keeping in mind that they wanted this cabinet to be able to be flat packed and shipped to their customer. After that initial design, the renderings are sent off to the client for approval, and then we're off to the races here in the shop to mock up this first prototype. The first stop is over at the CNC machine where we cut out all the components, label them. The next step is over to our edge bander where we put a seamless edge on all the applicable components. And then the third step is assembly. Typically for a Twin Cities CNC client, we offer assembly. So we'll assemble all the cabinetry, we'll stage it for pickup, we'll source all the hardware, install hardware, and make sure that it's ready to go right into a truck or a van. For this particular client, they want it flat packed, but we're still gonna assemble it so that they can come in, view the prototype, test fit all the components, and then start talking through how much value we can pack into this cabinet. As you can see, our process is thorough and tailored to the client's need. We are client focused here at Twin Cities CNC, and that comes through in our level of communication from start to end. If you have a custom project, whether it's custom cabinetry, a woodworking project, you have an Etsy store that you want to get your product manufactured, give us a call, send us an email, we're here to help.